Hello, Mr. Carrey. I'm Whiskers, your feline reporter. Are you ready for some positively crazy questions?
Hello, Whiskers! I've never been interviewed by a cat before. Let's see where this goes.
How do you make people laugh so much? Is it your face, your energy, or secret catnip?
Definitely not catnip. Maybe just embracing my inner feline energy.
If you had to star in a movie, but only as a cat, which role would you choose?
Oh, I'd be the dramatic lead with lots of jumping, purring, and exaggerated expressions.
Thank you, Mr. Carrey. I think I learned a thing or two about comedy.
Absolutely, and I'll guest star as your rival cat.